everyone! Today we'll be unboxing the Boxycharm Premium subscription for July 2020. Let's begin. Okay. Oops. It's on this side. Okay. When we open the box, there's a card here that tells us the theme. It's sunshine. Tells us the products that are there, the retail value, and also the box variation. So for this month, I got variation number 52. Okay, let's begin. So, the first item I see here is this Saturday Skin toner. Let's see. This is what it looks like. It's this in this glass container. Let's see. So this pore clarifying toner retails for $30. So that's the price for it, retail value. Okay. The next item is this cuticle oil with milk and honey in it. It's in a cute bottle. And this product is by Sucio Natural Milk and Honey Cuticle Revitalizing Oil. And this product retails for $18. Let's see what it looks like up close. Okay, it's this cute little circular bottle, and it has this dropper here. You put on your nails to strengthen them. Okay. The next item in the box is this Nelson Beverly Hills Argan Oil 7 Moisture Healing Mask for the hair. And this product retails for $24. Okay. The next product is this Fully Fire lipstick set. There's 3 lipsticks in there. So let's see. Fully Fire Matte Manipulation Trio, and this retails for $39.99. And there's 3 colors in here. There's Full House, Here to Slay, Sunset Boulevard. Okay, so these are the 3 colors, and let's see how they swatch. So this one is Sunset Boulevard. This is what it looks like. It's this mauve color. Let's see. Pinky mauve color. Okay. The next color is Here to Slay. And this is a red color. And the last one is Full House. And this one is a darker brownish burgundy color. It has a little plumness to it. That's what it looks like. Okay, and that was the trio. And there's 2 more products left. The next item is this Brow Bar Hollywood Icon Collection. Let's see. Brow Bar by Rima Hollywood Icon Face Kit. And this product retails for $45. And this does have a mirror, so we'll cover it. Oops. There's the brush, dual-ended brush that came with it. These are the colors. So let's see. So this kit is the one called Drama Queen. And each palette comes with a bronzer, translucent powder, 2 shades of blush, 2 shades of highlighter, 4 shades of eyeshadow, and a brush. Okay. Now the color that's attracting me the most is this green one right here. It's really pretty. This purple is nice too. It's a dark purple. This is a neutral one. This is a matte. And these are highlighters, blushes, bronzers, translucent powder. Wow. These have pigment. These can be used as eyeshadows as well. They're pretty. Okay. So that's that. And now there is just one more product in the box. And it is this Morphe and Manny Mua Glam Palette. And this one retails for $20. Has 12 shades. Let's see. Okay. And this one has a mirror as well. Okay. So this is what it looks like. You have the shimmers. And there's mattes as well here. Oops. Okay, let's see. Yeah. So those are the shades. I think this one is my favorite. It has kind of a duochrome shift right here. See? I like that brown blue shift. It's really beautiful. Okay. And that was the last item in our Boxycharm premium box for July. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing, and if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you and have a wonderful day. Bye!